Welcome to Eterio Reality's FabStation-STEEL, where technology and innovation are truly making a difference in industry. Our augmented reality technology is helping steel fabricators see real improvement in quality and training across the board, while allowing for unprecedented visual understanding of what is to be built. As industries look to keep up with changing technologies, it's important to take a step back and make sure that the technology makes sense and fits within your workflow. FabStation-STEEL's mission from day one is to integrate and complement existing systems and workflows. FabStation is not only about convenience and technology, it is also about making your operation more efficient. We help your fabricators understand their build quicker, which improves accuracy and reduces fabrication time. Cost savings don't end there, however. Work in the field can lead to overruns and can put a project behind. Regardless of what your quality assurance program is, FabStation will pay for itself within a year in site savings alone. Sign up for a demo today, and we can discuss what configuration of our product will work for you.